Now in this lecture, we'll discuss about how to get Python and how to install it on your system. And for that, for getting the most up-to-date version, you need to install or open the site python.org. Let's open it. www.python.org. This is the first link. You can click over here. And once it will be opened, this is Python's official site. You can see on the home page, the most recent, or you can say latest version of Python is available. Download the latest version for Windows. You can click over here and download Python from here by clicking over this link. You can also install Python for Linux, Unix, Mac, or other operating systems. It is available over here. It is freely available and easy to install also. If you click on downloads, then again this option is available. All releases, source code, Windows, Mac OS, other platforms. The latest version is Python 3.10.0. So this is the latest version. You can click over here and it will start installing on your system. You can see its exe file is installed over, is downloaded over here, and by clicking on it, it will start installing on your system. Next is documentation. Tab is there. Complete Python help is available over this tab. If you want more detailed information about any of the function or method that is used in Python, then you can access these docs and you will get complete information from here of all the versions also. So by writing your keyword in this quick search also, you can make search like regular expressions, etc. You can get help of any of the feature or any of the method of Python over here. Now, once it is downloaded, you can install it by clicking over this link. It will start installing in your system. But in my system, it is already installed. I will not install it again. You just need to set it, click on install now, and it will be installed on your system at this default path in your C drive where Windows is installed, and its latest version will be installed. It is already installed in my system, so I will not install it. You just need to press next, 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 and it will be installed automatically. And you also need to remember that whether it will be for 64-bit system or 32-bit system, before downloading the appropriate software, you need to check it before downloading. Whether your Windows is 32-bit or 64-bit, download the appropriate software of Python and then install it. Now let's move further. Once it is installed in your system, it is very easy to install. We need to set path. By default, the path gets set by itself. But in some cases, if we need to set it, then once go through it, many directories contain programs and other executable files. Therefore, the operating system, Windows, Unix or Linux or Mac, search for executable by providing a search path for directories. The path is a named string maintained by the operating system and is stored in the environment variable. The environment variable contains information available to the command shell and other programs. By default, this path will be set by itself. You don't need to set the path or change it. Otherwise, it will create certain issues while executing the programs. The by default path that is set is this one in the system properties box. In Windows, to add the Python directory to the path for particular session in Windows, at the command prompt, type this %path %c Python and press enter. Note, C Python is the path of the Python directory. By default, the path will be set. You don't need to change it. Okay. Now, Python environment variables. These are very important ones. You should go through them at least once. Python path. Environment variables are used for making certain language execute properly, and they are set by itself while installing Python on your system. The first Python environment variable is Python path. This variable plays the similar role as path. It is sometimes preset by the Python installer. Its task is to tell the Python interpreter where to locate the module files imported into a program. It must include the source library directory and directories containing Python source codes. Python startup. It contains the path of initialization file containing Python source code. It is executed every time you start the interpreter. So these are actually paths of various files which get executed automatically in order to uh, create the environment for proper execution of all the programs written in the Python. Next is Python case OK. Actually, Windows is not case sensitive operating system. Linux and Unix are. Therefore, it is used in Windows to instruct Python to find the first case sensitive match in an import statement. In order to activate this variable, set it to any value. And Python home, it is another module search path. It is usually embedded in Python startup or Python path directories to make switching module libraries easy. So these are 4 important Python environment variables. They are set while installing Python automatically. But for the sake of knowledge, you should know about these 4 Python environment variables, which are Python home, Python case OK, Python startup, and Python path. These are 4 important environment variables. So in this lecture, we have studied about how to get Python, how to get its latest version, how to seek help from the website, which is in the documentation tab, and how to install it, and then what are environment variables. In the next lecture, we'll discuss about how to execute or run Python.